watch Flow TV Entertainment. Tell Balo where to disappoint me here. Torí pé mo love yín gan.
You have to work hard, you have to pray harder, and you must learn patience to get to the top. So moving into politics, yes, there are lots of backlashes, a lot of no's. But don't forget, I got a lot of no's before I got here today. Yes, everybody can support you. That means if they support you, you're not doing something good. Everybody is saying, oh, it's good. No, you must get people to criticize you constructively. You know, you sieve it, you pick out the constructive ones and be better with it. So I've learned to be better. I've learned to be calmer. I've learned to be more dedicated. I've learned not to give up.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
My name is Perpetua Okadike. I'm so excited today because I'm here for the premiere for Battle on Buka Street. And I'm super excited because when I hear Buka Street, I'm like, it's going to be a lot of banger. It's going to be a lot of war, fights, and, you know, food. And it's exciting because this is festive season. This is Christmas. And this is kind of show we should be watching.
My name is Adekunle Olalekan Afford. A lot of people call me Afford. Mr. Inspiration, don't doubt it. Well, you know, we are in the festive period already. And we've been expecting this battle on Buka Street. You know, Funke Akindele has been giving us back to back, and I will never be disappointed in her. I'm happy to be out tonight. I'll be expecting to have some meal today. I will be expecting that, you know. You can see what I'm standing beside. Something about Buka, you know, Buka is our own thing. Buka is the local name for restaurant. You get it? And when you have battle in a restaurant, it has to be massive. All right, this is one thing you have to know. As a creative person, if you are in this field, you should always try to create an inch for yourself. Funke has been doing a lot. She has been doing a lot. Coming up with Buka is a different concept. So you have to put your mind at rest to come up with a new concept. She's coming up with a new concept, and I know this is going to be great.
Good evening, everyone. I remember my humble self and your fair Adekunle, aka Monsiru Omafa. I feel so great to be here tonight. I was so excited. So when I got the invitation, I was invited to come on the 11th of December to celebrate with my lovely sister, a living legend, an icon that I respect so much in the Nollywood industry. I was like, wow, Auntie, it's on me. Okay, no problem. I feel so great that I'm here tonight. And I am very, very sure I won't get disappointed because to my no money and you get her. She's a bit drunk, which I know that I won't be disappointed. Actually, I have known her for so many years now, more than decades. I've known Funke Akindele since 2003, and she has been there for me. She has done a lot of things for me, and I know how she thinks, how extra mile she went when it comes to film producing. I learned a lot from her, so I am not disappointed with what I'm saying tonight, but I know she will give us even beyond our own expectation. Good to be here tonight. I love her so much. Thank you so much.
I feel great. I feel elated. You know, it's Her Excellency, the incoming Deputy Governor of Lagos State. Aside that, you know, she's the most funniest comedian we have in town. Anything she drops is always a hit. It's always a banger. And I can't wait. Now look at the cast lineup. Mommy Shola Shobowale, Mercy Johnson Okoje, and herself, and other people that are very good. We are going to laugh till we drop. Of the Buka, you know, I'm sure they're trying to show us how they do it in the trenches. You understand? A lot of people like me, I'm from the trenches. I was not born with silver spoon. We're from the trenches, so they are trying to show us how it's been done. Though I've not seen the movie, I can't tell. But with the title, we know we're expecting a lot of stuff from the trenches, not the, usual Lekki, Aja, VI kind of stuff.
Sexy baby, sexy baby, yes, you bless you. Women for the alarm,
That's a very, 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 very big question. And how can I answer it? I give everything to God, not me. It's God's doing. And to glory be to God.
The year is gradually running to an end, and you are going to another movie. What should we expect from Shola?
There's so hey, lot is coming. We are just going to see this one. We are going to see King of Boys. We are going to see a lot coming. So let me just leave it one after the other. Thank you.
Ṣéwárí àlùbáríkà tó wà pọ̀, oníkọ́lá ọkọ̀ mi sí, ògbìyànjú nílé ayé mi, owó tó pọ̀ kọ́ fún ẹ àmì o. Tọ́ba ló kọ́lé ńlá, kò sí kòtò, tọ́ba ló lọ mọ́. Honorable àwọn sùn mi Ìkòròdú. Honorable àwọn sùn mi Ìkòròdú. Kúlékúlé ọmọ Fọláyàn, kò máa wúlò ẹ̀ mọ́ra bá.
So what was it like working on the set of the movie?
It was awesome, legendary, because you have like top A-listers on set who know their onions, who have made their mark. It was awesome, so much to learn from, so much to smile about, and so much to work hard for.
Okay, so should there be maybe a moment during the shoot you found like, I know that I can do this thing, but I'm finding it kind of, it's sort of somehow, sort of.
No, because my character is a grumpy person who is supposed to fight, and
that is you, like on movie sets anyway.
Once you just say action, I'm ready to fight.
I don't know what to say. Okay, aside battle on Buka Street, what else should your fans be expecting from your table?
I have lots of cinema projects coming out this year. I have Kafaya Undercover by Samuel Atunji. I have other top cinema projects coming out this year, so which we don't have titles to yet, so we're still waiting.
All right, our fingers are crossed and we're rooting for you as always. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank
you.